Hi friends, I am Navya and I have come to our channel and I am going to make a smoke fountain today. It is very easy and you can make it at home and show it to your teachers. So guys, we need to make a smoke fountain like these things. One transparent glass, some papers and one match box. You can use lighter also. And we have to cut it from between. This we have to press it perfectly, and from here also. And then tear it. So we have to half to make tube from this paper. So now friends, we have two tubes and from one tube I am going to taught you that the smoke is going up like this. The smoke is going up, friends, you can see. And in my experiment it will go down. So guys, you have seen that the paper smoke that was not my experiment was going up, and in my experiment smoke fountain it will goes down. So now let's start the experiment. So guys, we have to make a hole here with the help of matchbox. And the hole is done. Now we have to fix the tube in this hole. So now friends, the tube is fixed and now we have to burn the tube with here. So now you can see the smoke coming down. It is a smoke fountain. So guys, you can see this is very easy and it is very useful. You can make this experiment and show it to your teachers and in your science exhibition also. So guys, you have seen the experiment. It is very cool and easy also. It is done because of we burn the tube and the first end becomes hotter and the second end is colder. The air passes to the first end to the hot end to the colder end, and it becomes cool and falls down. So it is very easy and scientific also. So guys, you have liked this video, so please like it and share it also with your family members and friends, and comment also and press the bell icon for the new upcoming videos of mine. Thank you.